You know what doesn't make sense, yeah? When I talk to a coach, you know, they've been struggling for a few years with their coaching business and they're trying to get to the next level. Maybe they're around 2K, 3K. And they say something like, yeah, you know what? I'm going to give it a go on my own. Now, I have no problems with that. Maybe you could. But the difference between someone that goes on their own and someone that goes with someone is time. Now, depending on how much you value your time. If you don't value your time, all good, go on your own. But if you value your time, what you can achieve in 12 months going on your own, you could probably get it done in 3. And that's the biggest difference. So 9 times out of 10, when someone says to me, I want to give it a go on my own, I don't really bat an eyelid because I'm like, yeah, I'm going to see you in 6 months' time when you realize that you just don't know what to do, or it's taking you too long to put all the resources together. Because when you get coaching, yeah, sort of like fitness, it's not more information. Like, I don't need to go to a coach to work out how to get 6-pack abs. But if I get a coach, it's going to make that process easier, quicker, smoother, and I'm going to pull all the information I need from one source versus having to go on YouTube, having to find the right workout that suits my body type, having to find the right diet that suits the way that I want to eat. If I get a coach, it's just one place, one source, one informational hub. The same thing with growing your business. Rather than having to go on YouTube, all these free Facebook groups, all these webinars, you've got one coach, one support network, one group. Boom. So all this, I need to go try on my own. You can do that. Trust me, you can do it. But if that's your mindset, if you don't value your time, you're only going to go so far as a coach anyway. So you got to start thinking on that level, man. Think on that higher level, not just, you know, you're thinking too much about what's happening right now rather than the future.